Which inspection camera with LED light is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Mugeezy Endoscope Camera. First up is the Mugeezy Endoscope Camera. Priced at just $29.99, this camera caught my eye with its impressive 4.3-inch IPS screen. If you want a reliable camera that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 1920p HD resolution gives you crystal clear images, and that 170-degree viewing angle is perfect for capturing every nook and cranny. You get 8 adjustable LED lights, so even in dark spaces you won't miss a thing. Plus, the 16.6-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible enough to navigate tight spots, making it ideal for plumbing or mechanical work. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it can handle wet environments without a hitch, which is a huge plus if you're dealing with sewer inspections. Now, some users mention that the 2 cm macro focus range can be tricky, especially if you're trying to inspect something much closer. Here's the thing though, unless you need extremely close-up work, this isn't a deal breaker. It still delivers excellent performance for most tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a handy tool for home repairs. Skip this one if you require ultra-high definition for professional use. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for money. Now, if the macro focus range concerns you, this next one might have you covered. Product number 2, Kimpthe Dual Lens Endoscope. Next, we have the Kimpthe Dual Lens Endoscope. At $35.99, this model is a bit pricier, but it has features that could be worth the extra cash. If you want versatility and ease of use, this one's definitely worth a look. With a dual lens setup, this camera lets you switch between front and side views, giving you more options for inspection. The 1920p HD video quality is impressive too, letting you capture images at a resolution of 1920x1440. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible yet sturdy, making it a breeze to maneuver in tight spaces. Plus, the IP67 waterproof feature means you can dive into those murky plumbing issues without worry. However, I noticed a few users complained about the app connection process being a bit cumbersome. But once you get it set up, the performance is solid and the clarity is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you need a camera for varied applications, from automotive repairs to home inspections. Skip it if you prefer a straightforward plug-and-play option. With all its features, it still offers good bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has some unique features that really stand out. Product number 3, DEPSDCH Wi-Fi Endoscope Camera. Now, let's check out the DEPSDCH Wi-Fi Endoscope Camera, priced at $30.99. This one caught my attention for its Wi-Fi capabilities, making it super convenient. If you want a camera that connects easily to your smartphone, you should seriously consider this. The IP67 waterproof design allows it to operate in wet conditions, which is a must-have for any inspection task. Plus, it connects seamlessly to both iOS and Android devices, letting you see real-time images on your phone or tablet. However, some users noted that the image quality can vary between different Android devices, leading to occasional blurriness. I'll be real with you, if you have an older Android phone, this might not be the best choice for you. But if you're on a newer device, the convenience makes it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly camera for home repairs or automotive tasks. Skip this one if you have older tech that might struggle with connectivity. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if connectivity wasn't your main concern, the next product really brings something different to the table. Product number 4, WINWEND HD Endoscope Camera. Next up is the WINWEND HD Endoscope Camera, which comes in at just $27.90. This one is known for its simplicity and ease of use. If you want a straightforward inspection camera without any frills, this is a great choice. The 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible, allowing easy navigation in tight spaces, and the camera is IP67 waterproof, so you can confidently use it in wet conditions. It's also designed for one-handed operation, which makes it user-friendly. Some users pointed out that it doesn't have recording capabilities, which might be a drawback if you want to save footage for later. Here's the thing though, if your main goal is just to inspect and not record, then this camera gets the job done efficiently. This is perfect for you if you want a simple tool for quick inspections around the house. Skip it if you need to capture video footage regularly. With its low price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for advanced features, the next product is top of the line. Product number 5, FOXWELL Dual Lens Borescope. Finally, we have the FOXWELL Dual Lens Borescope, priced at $219.99. This is definitely an investment, but it comes with some incredible features. If you're serious about inspections and want professional-level results, this is the one to check out. The 0.25-inch ultra-slim probe can easily fit through narrow openings, and the HD IPS screen provides clear, detailed visuals. It also comes with adjustable LED lights, which are essential for inspecting darker areas. However, the price might be a turnoff for casual users. Honestly, if you're just looking for a basic inspection tool, this might be overkill. But for professionals or serious DIYers, the advanced features justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you're an automotive technician or plumber who needs precision tools. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic camera for occasional use. Given its capabilities, it's worth the investment if you'll be using it regularly. So to wrap it up, the Mugeezy offers great value for casual users, while the Kimpthy provides versatility for varied applications. The DEPSDCH is perfect for smartphone connectivity, and the WNWND is a simple, straightforward option. Finally, the FOXWELL is ideal for professionals needing advanced features. Each of these cameras has something unique to offer, depending on your needs.